bitches! Woohoo! Happy National Cookie Day 2023, December 4th, 2023. I woke up early and got baked so I can bake. Woohoo! Fuck yeah! For our Cookie Day cookies, we're gonna make chocolate peanut butter chocolate chip cookies with a bit of sea salt flakes to top it off. What we'll be using today for our cookies: 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of white sugar, 110 grams of brown sugar. I'll be using yellow sugar because that's what's opened. Salt, half a teaspoon. Baking soda, half a teaspoon. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. 115 grams of room temperature unsalted butter, and 1 room temperature medium to large egg. I'm using President's Choice Decadent chips. Use whatever chips you want. I buy whatever ones are on fucking sale. This is 270 grams. I'll probably use half the package, or maybe a little more, but I won't use the whole package. Use how many ever you fucking want. It's cookie day. And we have to use the best peanut butter in the world. Kraft smooth peanut butter. Yummy. We're going to use 250 grams. Canada. Kraft. Best. It's 250 grams. And our sea salt flakes to sprinkle on top. How much ever you want. You don't want a lot. Alright. Let me get all this stuff moved around, measured out, and then let's get to cookie making. Whoa. Before we get to making our cookies and baking, let's get unbodily with a bottle of Coca-Cola. Drink up, Buttercup. Woo. Before we go any further, I forgot to say, I forget a lot of things when I'm stoned. Make sure your oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Very important. You cannot bake cookies in a cold oven. It's your tip of the day. Pay attention, bitches. 375 Fahrenheit oven. Turn it on. Alright, bitches. In our stand mixer, we got the paddle attachment. If you don't have a stand mixer, use a hand mixer. Pardon me. If you don't have a mixer at all, get another bowl, You need a couple of bowls, one for your dry ingredients, one for your mixing, and a good spatula. Nice stiff, long bladed spatula. And do everything in the exact same order. Bingo fucking zingo. Cheers, big ears. Okay. We're going to take our room temperature butter and our sugar, both brown and white, cream them together. It just takes about a minute. Get in there. Ooh. That looks pretty good. That's about a minute. Bingo fucking zingo. About a teaspoon of our vanilla extract. Good enough. And our egg. If you're worried about getting any eggshell in, which might happen, crack your egg beforehand. I got some on me. Let that go until it's fully incorporated. Not too long. Good. Add our peanut butter. Give it a little scrape with the spatula. Good. My bowl is not secure. Now, our flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. You're not going to mix this very long, just until it's incorporated, until you don't see any more flour. And we got to get our chips. We might have to give that a little scrape with our spatula. Very good. Okay, chips. Look like that. It's about half. A few more for good luck. Mix until just combined. Done. Boom. Cookie tray. Woo. Give me a minute. Alright, bitches. Got a cookie sheet. Line it with some parchment or use one of these mats. These mats are pretty good. You want to use a cookie scoop thing, go right ahead. I have one. I hardly ever use it. Most times it's just easier to use a spoon. Use whatever you're fucking comfortable with. I'm not gonna make like gigantic. There, like that. Just over an inch or something like that. Spread them out a couple inches apart. Do 12. All right. You see how this is done? It's easy, peasy, a little bit sleazy. Hey, you dropped a piece. Come back. All right. Woo. Woo. There you go. Gonna some a little bit bigger than the other ones. It is what it is. They're not gonna be small. Cheers, big ears. Go with a fork or your hand or whatever. Just flatten them out a bit. You know how it goes, right? Bingo fucking zingo. Sea salt flakes. Good enough. Bingo zingo. Try and spread them out a bit. Not like me, throw them in all one spot. Good enough. Oven, 8 to 10 minutes. Boom, we'll be back. They look like that. Woo. Hot. Let them sit there for 5-10 minutes. Then we'll transfer them onto the rack. You gotta let them sit. Smell awesome. Woohoo! And I'm high as fuck. I got the munchies. Cheers, big ears. Happy cookie day. Could have made wheat cookies. I got wheat butter. Guess I just do a normal cookie today. Alright, bitches. We'll be back. Alright, bitches. That's been about, I don't know, just over 5 minutes. Let's take these off. Get a flipper, a spatula. Alright, bitches. Our cookies are looking like this. They've been here for about, I don't know, close to half an hour anyway. Let's grab one. Anyone. Just like that. Mmm. That's a good cookie. Mmm. That salt. It's nice. I'm a salt hound anyway. Chocolate, peanut butter, chocolate chip. That's tasty. As fuck. TAF. Happy Cookie Day. 2023, December 4th. Make this. How about that? Drink up, Buttercup. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, fuck right off. Whoa. Whoa. RTFO mofos.